Your 20s are the defining decade, the one that sets the tone for your financial future. The habits and principles you adopt now will determine whether you build lasting wealth or struggle financially. In this video, we explore the 5 key money principles that can make anyone rich in their 20s. The first principle is simple yet powerful. Pay yourself first. This means prioritizing your savings over any other expense, before rent, bills, or entertainment. Set aside a fixed percentage of your income. This practice not only ensures that you're saving consistently, but also builds a safety net for your future. Paying yourself first is more than just a financial strategy, it's a mindset. It conditions you to live below your means and prioritize long-term financial security over short-term pleasures. Your 20s are a time for growth, and the best investment you can make is in yourself. Whether it's acquiring new skills, seeking mentorship, or gaining knowledge, these investments pay dividends throughout your life. Skills compound, and the more you know, the more you earn. I spent thousands on courses and books in my 20s, and those investments have paid off tenfold. Knowledge is power, and the more you invest in yourself, the more control you have over your financial future. Debt is a double-edged sword. While it can be used to leverage opportunities, it can also trap you in a cycle of financial struggle. In your 20s, it's crucial to distinguish between good debt and bad debt. Avoid taking on debt that doesn't generate income or assets. Credit card debt and unnecessary loans can cripple your financial progress. Bad debt can derail your financial goals. It's essential to live within your means and avoid the temptation of easy credit. Focus on building assets, not liabilities. One income stream is rarely enough to achieve financial freedom. The key to building wealth is diversification. In your 20s, explore different income sources, whether it's starting a side business, investing in stocks, or generating passive income through digital assets. Multiple streams of income not only accelerate wealth building, but also provide a safety net during economic downturns. Having multiple income streams changed the game for me. When one stream slowed down, others picked up the slack. This approach not only boosted my income, but also gave me financial security. Time is the most valuable asset you have in your 20s. The earlier you start investing, the more you benefit from the power of compound interest. Even small, consistent investments can grow into substantial wealth over time. The key is to start now and stay disciplined. Investing early is like planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the more time it has to grow. Even if you start with small amounts, consistency and time will turn those investments into significant wealth. Your 20s are a time of opportunity, a time to lay the foundation for a prosperous future. By following these 5 money principles, paying yourself first, investing in yourself, avoiding bad debt, building multiple income streams, and investing early, you can set yourself on a path to financial independence and lasting wealth. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.